Modern Ice University was developed within the Modern Ice groups. Its development was for our customers to have resources for equipment training, educational resources, a place to bring their team members to come and discuss their plant issues, and have great resources like this to help with the training and education of your team.
Modern Ice University offers workshops on specific equipment, education on maintaining and rebuilding your equipment, and hands-on training. Modern Ice University has resources to help your company reduce labor issues, increase employee confidence and retention, improve productivity, and increase profitability. Modern Ice University offers your company space for corporate meetings or internal training, multiple meeting and breakout room options, and an opportunity to increase engagement through off-site meetings.
This is why Modern Ice University was developed with and for our clients.